Okay, so today's question is check if array is good. So you are given an integer array nums. We consider an array good if it is the permutation of the given array base n. So base n is nothing but 1, 2 and so on up to n, and n is repeated twice. So in other words, it is an array of length n plus 1 which contains 1 to n minus 1 exactly once plus 2 occurrence of n, the highest number. So for example, base of 1 1 is equal to 1 1. It starts with 1 and the last number is repeated 2 times. And value base 3, it will go till 3, 1 2 3, and 3 is repeated 2 times 3. So we have been given an array and we have to return either it is true or false based on the permutation. Permutation means it is the rearrangement of the same numbers. So let's try to code this. What we will do, we will first create a dictionary and take the count of each numbers. So let's do that. So define a dictionary. So define is equal to this. Now simply iterate through nums. So for I in nums, if I not in dict 1, you can simply say dict 1 of I is equal to 1. Else dict 1 of I plus is equal to 1. And plus is equal to, now we have created a dictionary with the count of the numbers, unique numbers. Now what we will do, we will take the max number of the nums. So let's define it as n. So n is equal to max of num. So suppose if dict 1 of n is not equal to 2, it should be equal to 2 because it is the last number or the max number. So if it is not equal to 2, simply return false. Else what we will do, we will go through from 1 to n. So for I in range 1, we will go from 1 to n, but actually we are going from 1 to n minus 1. For n we have already checked, so let's do that. So if I not in dict 1, I is not in dict 1, or dict 1 of I is not equal to 1, either it is more than 1, so that's not the permutation of the given base. So we will simply return false. And for if it returns nothing at the last, simply return true. So let's try to run and check if this works. Yeah, so test cases has passed. Let's try to submit and check. Okay, so our code has passed successfully. Thank you for watching.